Hello there, welcome back to Getting to Know Your Software 15 minutes at a time. This evening we're working in our Canvas workspace, which is the Brother Scan and Cut software. And we're still working with offsets and fonts and things, and I just love how easy the software is to do it. So I'm going to just reverse my steps and show you how easy and quick it is. Remember, an offset doesn't only have to be for an alphabet or a font, or you can in fact use it around shapes, things that you've drawn. So I'm going to first do just the offset on this alphabet on this name that I've written here, Kelly Roche Kids. As you know, we launched the Kelly Roche Kids today, so it's very exciting and we're playing around with ideas. Now, one of the nice things about the software here, I discovered this lovely little icon here. So once you've written whatever it is you want to write out, you go to your edit, and that's that wonderful little icon there on the right hand side. And if we click on this icon, we get a floating panel, which is really nice because it gives us the opportunity to look at all the different things that are here. Now, what we actually want to do is we want to create an offset. So let's just go and select all. And what do we want to do with this right now? In this edit panel, we'd be able to do all the editing and changing and, the normal stuff that we do when we're editing. And right down at the bottom, we have this wonderful little offset button. Now, what is really nice here is that it gives you, it's very plain, very easy, very user-friendly, and you can have the size of your offset, which you will adjust here. You have direction, inward or outward. Try them both out to see what the difference is. I'll do outward first. Then you have your corner type. You have a rounded corner or a beveled corner. And we literally go, OK. And like magic, it just happens in front of your eyes. Now that, as you can see there, it's all beautifully rounded and it really looks nice. If I reverse that and we look at that exact same thing again, but we just make a different selection. Let's look at inward and see what it does. If you look here, you'll see it's showing you a little bit of what it's going to do. But let's try it and just see what it does to this particular font. It won't allow us to do anything because it can't have an inward. You see where the pink lines are? It's showing you where it would create the offset, and it can't do that on a font like this. So your system won't let you do anything that you can't do. The software will let you do what you can do and make it better. So let's go back to outward and let's choose the beveled one this time. And let's see what it does. It gives you a slightly different edge on the edge. Well, around the edge, for want of a better way of putting it. Okay, let's have a look at just playing. Again, we have that we can create a floating panel here. And I want to, in fact, go down. Let's see. Let's just choose this design. I think if it's going to let me do it on here. Let's have a look. This is a line embossing design. I just want to move this out the way. In fact, we can delete that now. We have actually finished with it. And we can take this design. Let's see if it's going to allow us to create an offset for it. And again, we want that offset. And it won't allow you to do it. It tells you it cannot do it on this particular design because this is a line embossing design. So let's go further down and see. Let's go to our shapes. Let's make a floating panel of this quickly so we can go all the way down to the bottom. I want to just find a shape that we can use. Let me close this. And creating an offset on there will give you the additional line on the outside. So you can create an offset on anything, on any picture, on any design. It just depends, and your system will normally tell you it can or it can't do something. If we take some of the my mouse pad is sticking a bit again tonight, and we want to create an offset with that, we can go OK, and it'll automatically give you that offset. So don't forget about this really awesome little button down here. It can change your whole design. Hope you've enjoyed that quick insert. Have a good evening. Bye now.